This is the final day of our 30-day challenge, so let's celebrate. We're going to be moving through a really fun flow today, a soft blend of yoga and aerobics. If you feel like you've messed up or you can't coordinate a movement, don't worry about it. Just try to keep up as best you can and just keep on moving, or simply pause the video to catch up. It is your practice after all. Let's begin facing the long edge of our mat in mountain pose, connecting to our breath. Raise the right arm up, then the left. Continue alternating sides, finding some movement through the upper body. You can turn your head and maybe even find a little bit of a side bend or twist through the torso here. Make it your own. Bring the arms down. We're going into tree pose on the right side. Position your right foot to the inner edge of the left leg, below or above the knee, hands to heart. Let's inhale those arms up overhead, spread them out wide as we wave them side to side in a windy tree. Releasing tree pose, let's do that on the left side. Position your foot, hands to heart. Inhale those arms up, spread them wide, waving side to side in a windy tree pose. Releasing tree pose, draw your feet together and take a breath. Inhale, sweep the arms up. On the exhale, lower the arms as we bounce in chair pose. Inhale, back up. Exhale, lower with a bounce. Keep it going, moving at your own pace. Last one, bring it up, hands to your hips, shimmy your feet out to a wide stance, toes pointing out to the corners of your mat. Inhale the arms up, exhale, lower to a goddess pose with your arms spread wide, shifting from side to side, straightening one leg, then the other. Find a little wave through the arms and the chest as you feel movement and flow through the body. Good. Rotating to face the right edge of your mat in crescent lunge. Float the back leg up to eagle pose. Release, stepping it back to crescent lunge. Arms up. Float the back foot up to a warrior 3 pose. Back to crescent lunge. Now floating the back foot up, resting it on the opposite leg above the knee. Opposite elbow to knee, swinging the other arm back, we find a mudra. Any hand position of your choosing. Step it back to crescent lunge. Opening up to warrior 2. Let's windmill the arms, sending them front to back, one then the other, trying as much as possible to keep the legs still as we find movement and rotations in the upper body. Last one. Shifting over to crescent lunge, facing the left edge of your mat. Float the back leg up to eagle pose. To crescent lunge. Floating the back foot to warrior 3. And crescent lunge. Back foot to the front thigh above the knee, opposite elbow to knee, send the other arm back, and we find a mudra. Stepping back to crescent lunge. Open up to warrior 2. Let's windmill those arms, sending them front to back, one then the other. Keep it going, moving at your own pace. Lots of movement in the upper body here. Last one. Rotate to the long edge of your mat in a 5-pointed star. Arms spread wide, lifting through the chest. Let's inhale, raise the arms up as we lift through the heels. Exhale, lower. Again, keep it going, moving at your own pace. Last one. Let's go into a side bend to the right, left arm up and over. Release, other side. Two more times each side. To the right. And left. Last one, to the right. And left. Hands to your hips, shimmy your feet in, taking the heels together, toes wide apart. Inhale the arms up. On the exhale, lower the arms as we bend the knees. Inhale up, exhale, plie. Inhale up, exhale, lower. Keep it going. Last one. Hands to your hips. Shimmy those feet out to a wide stance. Rotate to the right edge of your mat, arms up in a warrior one pose. Float the back foot to a warrior three. Hinging to a single leg mountain, knee up, as we twist into that front leg. Lower to mountain as we raise the arms and repeat that lift with a twist. Last one. Step it back to warrior two. Exhale to extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. 4 more. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale to reverse warrior. Strong breath. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale to reverse warrior, keeping those legs engaged. 2 more. Extended side angle. And reverse warrior. Last one. Extended side angle to reverse warrior. Rotate to face the left edge of your mat in a warrior one. Float the back leg to warrior three. Single leg mountain, knee up with a twist into that front leg. Lower the foot, arms up, raise the knee and twist. Keep it going. Last one. Step back to warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale to reverse warrior. 4 more. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale to reverse warrior. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. 2 more. Extended side angle. Inhale to reverse warrior. Last one. Extended side angle. And reverse warrior. Rotate to face the long edge of your mat in star pose. Arms out wide, chest is lifted, toes pointing forward. Hands to your hips, keeping a flat back, we fold. Plant the left palm, twist open to the right, reaching that right hand up. Lower the right hand, twist open to the left. Lower the left hand, take your hands to your hips, flat back, return to standing. Shimmy your feet into hip distance apart. Shift your weight to the left, pick up the right leg, knee to chest. Right hand to foot, stretch it back as you raise the left arm in dancer prep, staying upright and keeping the knees close together. And release. Shift your weight to the right, pick up the left leg, knee to chest. Left hand to foot, swing that leg back. Right arm comes up to a dancer prep. and release. Hands on your hips, keeping the shoulders down and away from the ears. Tilt your head to the right and to the left. 3 more times. Again, to the right and left, to the right and left. 1 more time, to the right and to the left. To center, bring your hands together in Anjali Mudra, in mountain pose to finish up. I want to thank you so much for participating in this 30-day challenge with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did and maybe even learned a thing or two. Going forward, I hope you continue your yoga practice. Maybe you've even been inspired to try some Pilates mat work or some low-impact aerobics. Feel free to restart this challenge at any time or even just go back to the videos that you liked the best. Say bye, Annie. Say bye, everybody. Say thank you.